Okay na?
Oo. Ay, maliwanag siya.
Flowers for you on this lovely evening. Though they have no words, they shared my feelings as we walk along the avenue. Pardon me, I just can't get staring at you. When I look into those sparkling eyes, I float in the air and wonder in paradise. You gave my heart a source of inspiration. Your beauty is beyond imagination. You are the one, the only one I decide. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share hand in hand, there seems to be no time. Each day with you becomes a Valentine. Time has gone and so much we moments slip away, but not the memory. One day as we look back.